In this video, we're going to cover how to grade assignments in Educate. To begin, you're going to want to access the assignment that you want to grade. You can either do this by clicking on the Assignments tab in your user menu, or by locating it within the class itself. In this case, we're going to click on the Assignments menu item. Now here we're able to see all of our active assignments, and an active assignment is defined as one that we have added settings to, such as points, due dates, late submissions, and so forth. So what we're going to do now is locate one of our assignments that we want to grade. So I'm going to view the submissions for this assignment. And as you can see, I have one student who has submitted the assignment. It says their name, the attachment, whether it's a document, a link, a file, so forth for that assignment. The description from that student, so maybe they've added some notes or a little message for me as the teacher. And now I'm able to add points and remarks and feedback as it relates to that student submission. So it's really easy. You can simply just type in the point value associated with that assignment, add some remarks, and click the Save button. Once saved, that assignment grade will be saved and the student will be able to see what you've written in terms of points and remarks within their platform account as it relates to their submission for that assignment. Be sure to check out our other tutorial videos to learn how to maximize your use of the Educate platform and your curriculum within Educate.